This is the unboxing of the xTool M1 machine. Again, I want to thank the xTool company for sending me this machine. And so what you can see me doing right here is to open up the box itself. And I'm going to take everything out of the box and set it up on my table. This is the air assist that is used to ventilate the space or the place where all the cutting and engraving happens. I'm taking out all the different pieces of the air assist machine, lots of different little pieces that are used to connect to the M1 and the air assist machine. And lastly, I am going to take out the actual air compressor, and you can see what that looks like right there. And then I am going to put all of those things back into the box, set them to the side, and open up the actual air or the actual M1 machine using my red scissors that I love to use in a lot of my craft videos. So I'm going to open up that machine and take out the foam and all the different pieces. You can see those mats down below, and I actually do use those for my CRICUT machine as well. Going to open up that foam, and you see the manual, and then you also see some basswood, leather, adhesive vinyl, and a couple other different materials. You can also see that air duct down there and some blades right there. So yeah, lots of different pieces to go into this machine. There are videos online showing you how to put your machine together. I didn't find those videos until after I had basically put my machine together using those manuals. But these are just all the different materials that came with the machines. This is the front of the machine, and then this right here is the back of the machine. So yeah, again, I thank the xTool company for sending me this machine, and I'm so excited to be creating lots of different types of projects using this xTool M1 machine.